Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make muffins in microwave. Measure ingredients precisely and mix batter until smooth to avoid lumps. I'll guide you through simple steps for mixing, portioning into microwave-safe cups, and timing each cook cycle. You'll learn how to adjust power levels, test doneness, and add mix-ins like berries or chocolate chips. This method saves time and makes moist muffins with minimal cleanup. It's great for quick breakfasts or snacks. Start by gathering flour, sugar, baking powder, milk, egg, oil, and any mix-ins like berries or chips. Use measuring spoons and a whisk for quick mixing. Prepare microwave-safe cups, a spoon or cookie scoop, and a plate or tray for stability. I'll explain substitutions, how to scale the recipe, and tips for texture. Keep ingredients at room temperature for best results, and combine wet and dry ingredients gently to avoid toughness. Mix dry ingredients first, then whisk wet ingredients separately for even texture. Fold wet into dry until just combined to avoid dense muffins. Spoon batter into cups, filling 2/3 for proper rise. Microwave on medium power and start with short intervals, checking doneness with a toothpick. Rest muffins briefly after cooking to finish setting. I'll share timing suggestions for common microwave wattages and troubleshooting tips. Keep a close.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.